Once you embrace apathy, you will no longer feel anger. The white flower fog approaches. Everything will return to flower. The cocoon was cut open with one slash of a sword. Fake, immortal, they said. Just like you. Return to nothing. A world consumed by overwhelming apathy. That was just the beginning. Even the smallest cookie's life holds meaning in this vast world. Let go of greed. There is nothing simpler. Wake up, and you shall see the truth. My heart has never been more at peace. But you knew this deep down, didn't you? Think your sword had not smelled its paralyzing stench? This deep down, didn't you? You felt fear seep into your dough. The moment you stepped foot on Beast Yeast. You reek of fear, Cookie. Did you really think your sword has not smelled its paralyzing stench?
Ladies and gentlemen, Drizzy.
Yeah, ワトソン君。そしたら困ったね。
あの人！
はい、さあ始めますよ先生。
This little guy keeps biting my phone and my fingers. You know what that means. Microwave.
Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste.
Just stop, relax. Sorry that I can't help you out.
Yes, you can. We'll tell you how. Can't help but feel like you belong here.
But I wanna leave. I just gotta leave.
You know that something's going wrong here.
And she's watching me. Now she's on to me.
Come find out what's been going on here.
It's my progeny. Caught up to me. Can't help but feel like I'm a pawn here.
Obana Iguro, a very strict and severe individual, noted for his unflinching dedication to the mission of exterminating demons.
Igoro. How are you? After training today, I sat down and had black tea with Tanjiro. Tanjiro's so cute! Whenever he eats or drinks something sweet, he looks like he died and went to heaven! Isn't that adorable?
Kamado.
"弱いツン、覚えないツン、手間を取らせるツン」というところ。蛇の呼吸、一の型。
わかんないの幸せって何どれがそれだって何よ面倒くさいわ脳みそも頭もわからないって見せようと骨のず
Me faz bolar de sinuca e me faz colocar e me